Problem sum is an abstract form of constructing and putting in the elements or number and linking it to logics. Okay? It relates to our real life practice. Say, for example, Mr. Rossley just bought a brand new Mercedes at a discount of 30%. The price before the discount was so much. So calculate how much was the actual price he paid for the car. When you are drawing the models, the most difficult part is the first step of drawing the models. To correlate the different models. And when you assign a unit, the very first thing that you have to do to solve the problem, we don't care what they're asking you to find. You find what is that one unit representing.
Short C, so 232 more gardens than short A. How many gardens did short B sell?
Mr. Hisham said the first person that finish and get it all correct will get a Rolex.
No question one.
Three highlighter plus 2 pen equals $16 equation number 1. Agree? All right. Now, set question is basically simultaneous equation, okay? Now, how wonderful models works is this. Minimum working, maximum answer. We assign Stephen to be one unit, right? Why? Why? Quickly, can someone tell me why? Correct. You got the list. Just now I say, I want you to instill it in your mind. We always pick the least, assign it to one unit, draw the model first.